Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you are good and healthy. Allah bless you always. Be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much viewer for watching my all videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this. I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Suddenly you can see friends, in this video we are providing you most trending and classical design crochet blouse ladies designs. So viewers, please don't skip the video. Watch the video start to end, because in this video you will see stunning and unique crochet designs blouse. I hope you will love these beautiful designs. So we will share this video with your family and friends. Unique texture crochet fabric, stylish and trending crochet blouses and fashion forward colorful options will use yarns color suit individual tastes. Comfortable, soft, breathable crochet fabric, easy care, machine washable and dryable. Suitable for crystal dressing or formal occasions. Confidence booster, fleeting stylish designs and handmade love. Each stitch depends care and attractions. Personal experience reflects personal styles and taste. National fabric choices honors chemical-free yarns. Crochet fabric reduce skin's irritations rash. Soft fabric promotes relaxations. Less timid blouse, crochet overly tops, bill shelves blouses off the shoulder designs, Bimini inspired crochet blouses, cotton and the cotton burl, bombo and the silk, single crochet, double crochet, half double crochet and triple crochet. Choose suitable yarns weight and hook size. Consider body type and fit preference. Use trendy steams and joints built in bra or and the leaving adjustable straps or ties pocket and the push of small is crochet pants or the matching shirt or pant. Crochet blouse offers size comfort and the practically making them perfect for everyday wear. I really hope that they will love these beautiful designs. We were different people have different choices and they love different types of designs and ideas. So in this video you will see different themes and trending designs. Thank you viewer for watching the video, especially for those people who searching these types of most trending designs. So viewers, if you all love these articles and if you want more types of designs and ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon from the new and latest update. Viewers, when you press the bell icon you receive the notifications of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me friends and remember me in your press. See you soon viewers, take care and Allah Hafiz.